he have done to it?
He said dumb pipes only.
Dumb pipes?
Yeah.
It's gonna be fast.
Oh shit, man.
What do you have done to it?
100% stock.
Are you on the 85?
100% stock, brother.
Are you automatic?
Yeah.
And he's on down pipes?
Yeah, that's what he claims. I don't know.
Okay.
All right, let's go. 40.
I'll be here.
All right, no problem. I'll turn around. He definitely got more than that. I don't believe that.
Yeah, he probably has something next to it. But don't underestimate the beamers.
Hey, you said dumb pipes. That's it.
Yeah, that's it. And a tune.
And a tune. All right, you forgot the tune.
Yeah, but you got a tune with the down pipe.
Okay, all right. Let's do one more.
You want a higher roll? 60?
Nah, 40.
40?
Yeah. My car can't even come close to that shit. Woo! Oh yeah, that shit is dope.